Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saina and I love making cute clay things. In this video, I have shown the complete process of making these cute fridge magnets. You can buy these and many other things from my website. I will mention the link in description, and I also take custom orders, so you can reach out to me via comments or DM me on Instagram. Alright, let's begin the process. So we will start by cleaning the workspace because we don't want any dirt on our clay. Always take the required amount of clay you need and immediately pack the remaining and keep it in an airtight container. Kneading the clay is a very important step because it ensures there are no cracks on your clay when you are working with it. Now these are depth guides or scale. It ensures that all your clay pieces are of even size. So I use these clay cutters for my fridge magnets, and these are handmade. I made them using a steel strip which I got from Amazon. It's not important that you need a clay cutter. You can cut the shape using a paper cutout as well. I just wanted to make my work easy as I was making pieces in bulk. That's why I preferred a clay cutter because it saves time. Okay, smoothing means making the rough edges of your clay piece look cleaner, and we can easily do that at this stage with water because the clay is still soft. But once the piece completely dries, only sanding can give a cleaner look. So yeah, this step is kinda important for me. Now it is time to add details to your piece, like adding the scoop and waffle lines for ice cream, and edges for pizza. Okay, now comes sanding. After clay pieces are completely dry and you still see any uneven edges, you can smooth it out with sanding. And now comes my most favorite part, which is painting the clay pieces. You know, this is the step where everything starts coming to life. And this step needs no explanation, so I would just keep quiet here. Okay, once when our painting process will be completed, we will let the pieces dry before we glaze them using UV resin. Alright, if you are glazing your pieces using UV resin, you should always take all the safety measures like wearing a respirator mask, using the nitrile gloves, and using a well ventilated place. Okay, I start by glazing all the edges first and securing them before I move to the front and back of any piece. If you need a detailed video on glazing, then let me know in the comments and I will make one for you. Now final part is sticking the magnet at the back, which you can either do after completely glazing a piece and then sticking the magnet with a strong glue, or stick the magnet first and then glaze the back side of the piece. Anything is fine. And now the magnets are ready, and as I mentioned in the beginning, you can buy these from my website. I'll mention the link in description. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I will see you in my next one.